Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Drone Shield invests $13 million to launch new Adelaide R&D facility amid global expansion. Drone Shield has announced a $13 million investment to establish a new research and development R&D facility in Adelaide, South Australia. The project, spanning 3 years, will contribute directly to the state's economy and create around 20 high-skilled engineering roles focused on radio frequency, RF, electronics, electronic warfare, and systems integration. The Adelaide site will complement Drone Shield's existing operations in Sydney and expand its advanced RF radio frequency and EW electronic warfare capabilities. Adelaide was selected for its strong defense and aerospace presence, skilled workforce, and established infrastructure supporting advanced technology development. This milestone coincides with Drone Shield surpassing 400 employees globally, nearly doubling its team over the past year and quadrupling it within 2 years. Approximately 300 staff are software and hardware engineers, with the company continuing to recruit for about 100 additional positions worldwide. Drone Shield Chief Executive Oleg Vornik said, "South Australia is recognized as a national leader in defense and space industries, with Adelaide home to a highly skilled and experienced workforce. Establishing our first R&D research and development office in Australia, outside of our Sydney headquarters in Adelaide, is a strategic move that supports Drone Shield's mission to deliver world-leading counter-drone and solutions." He added, "Drone Shield's growth to 400 employees globally, with the majority of our team being engineers, reflects our commitment to deep technical capability and delivery." Drone Shield Chief Product and Technology Officer Angus Bean said, "Drone Shield's new R&D facility in Adelaide marks a significant step forward in our commitment to ensuring our technology roadmap is being supported by the best engineering minds nationally. Our new facility is critical to accelerating the development of our next-generation counter-drone and electronic warfare technologies, while expanding our engineering footprint and supporting critical project development for global customers." Premier of South Australia, the Han Peter Malinauskas, said, "South Australia is the defense state and has been recognized by the Business Council as the best place in the country to do business. We welcome Drone Shield making the choice to conduct research and development here in Adelaide, creating 20 highly skilled engineering roles. As a government, we have a strong focus on growing our research and development ecosystem, which has the capacity to build our economic complexity and our state's prosperity." Drone Shield's expansion in South Australia forms part of its broader international growth strategy, including manufacturing initiatives in Sydney, Europe, and the United States. The move comes amid record global demand and heightened awareness of drone threats and electronic warfare requirements. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.